Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce Mr. Bill Evans.
To play, you gotta be present. That's gone now.
I need to find a replacement.
That's not possible.
To the great Bill Evans. Isn't that what all the papers say?
Will you be okay, Bill?
How can you be a success looking so ragged?
Years of squeezing myself into a life that was so small.
I got an album coming up. I gotta start working again.
I don't think you're ready for that.
Kept thinking that I'd change, that the world would change.
Sometimes an intermission is part of the music.
When we get home, can you play my song?
Your musical talent was like magic.
To play is a tightrope walk. Takes every part of your person. Pushing the world away so you can think with your hands.